Hey guys, it's Mary. I am trying to play catch up on some items that I received in the last few weeks. It's been a little crazy here. So bear with me while we catch up. These are auto ships that I received the last, like I said, 2-3 weeks. So this one is the Diamond Press Pop-Up Die Kit Balloons. And this came, I think the middle or the end of June. And it's I think it's the third auto ship. And I think there's 3 more. And they're the pop-up cards. Let's see if I can get this open. And this one's got a ton of balloons, so I think this one's going to be really cute. We've got the flower bouquet, then we had, what did we have? Fireworks. And the Easter Bunny. The last one was the fireworks. So, and we've got 3 more. We've got a Halloween kind of harvest tree, and then a gingerbread house, which I'm so excited about. Now I'm having a problem opening this. And then a hot air balloon. So I'm really looking forward to the gingerbread house. I think that's going to be really cute. So, so they all look the same way. They all have the same mechanism to do the little box, and then they all go together normal. And once you do and get the hang of putting the little box together, it's pretty simple. So let's see. It comes with the Slimline. Oh, and this one's a big sheet of stamps. So let's take this out. There's 2 pages of instructions. Okay. All right, so we've got thanks, party, congrats, birthday, and hip hip hurrah. And look at all the balloons. It's going to be so cute. So let's see what the instructions say. Oh, this is just so cute. All right, so it talks about getting the card base, which is an A2 or larger, how you color and cut the interlocking balloons, then there's extra balloons, and then the pop-up box, and it tells you how to put the balloons together, just like the other pop-ups. How to fold the box, how to add it on. This is going to be so cute. How to put it together. And instructions continued. Whoops. How to glue. How to get the little box together. And then how to put it. You fold it, you glue it down, and then when you open it up, and you close it up, these 2 will glue on here. So when you open it up, it pops up, just like that. So it's exactly the same directions as all the other ones. So thanks a lot. This is so cute because it can be used for anything, especially with the sayings. You know, it actually says here it's party time, and then thanks a lot, in the congratulations, hip hip hurrah, and then this says happy birthday or it's your birthday. So, I mean, it can be used for several different occasions. So this one was, out of all of them, I think this one's the most generic. And I would imagine that the hot air balloon one will be also. So I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy. I'm glad that they have a middle of the road kind of generic one. So that's it. Pop-up balloon card. This was June, so the next one is August for the outer ship. So, all right, so that's it. So thank you for watching. Thanks for taking the time. You know, whenever you have a little downtime in your busy life, I appreciate you coming and taking a look at the videos. Thank you if you're a subscriber, if you're thinking about subscribing. So that's it. Let me know if you have the auto ship and if you've used them and which one of them so far is your favorite. I think I have to say this one is my favorite so far because of it being versatile. So, all right, that's it. So till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.